Forming an LLC in Hawaii is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what an LLC is and its benefits. A limited liability company, or LLC, is a business structure that provides personal liability protection and tax benefits for its owners, also known as members. Step 1 is to choose a unique and compliant business name. The name must include the phrase limited liability company or the abbreviation LLC, and it must not be already in use by another Hawaii business. You can check the availability of your desired name by searching the Hawaii Business Entity database. Step 2 is to file the Articles of Organization with the Hawaii Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs. This document provides basic information about your LLC, such as its name, purpose, and the names and addresses of its members. The filing fee is currently $250, and you can file online or by mail. Step 3 is to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. This number is used to identify your business for tax purposes and is required to open a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN online, by phone, or by mail, and there is no filing fee. Step 4 is to create an operating agreement, which outlines the ownership and management structure of your LLC. This document is not required by the state of Hawaii, but it is highly recommended to avoid disputes and ensure smooth operation. The operating agreement should include the roles and responsibilities of each member, the distribution of profits and losses, and the procedures for making decisions and resolving disputes. Step 5 is to obtain any necessary licenses and permits to operate your business in Hawaii. The requirements vary depending on the type of business and its location, so it is essential to check with the state and local authorities to determine what licenses and permits are needed. Finally, it is crucial to maintain your LLC's compliance with Hawaii state laws and regulations. This includes filing annual reports, paying taxes, and keeping accurate records. By following these steps and maintaining compliance, you can form and operate a successful LLC in Hawaii.